Good morning, everybody. I am So Avtade Madam from Lanza Junior College. Today we are going to discuss the differentiation, that is exercise 1.2, question number 10. Sub questions are 1, 2, 3, 4. Before going to solve these examples, let us revise the formula, that is tan inverse of a plus b divided by 1 minus ab equal to, we can write tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of b. And second one, tan inverse of a minus b divided by 1 plus ab equal to, we can write tan inverse a minus tan inverse b. See here, sum or difference must be equal to numerator and product must be equal to this ab. Okay, let us solve the examples one by one. First one is tan inverse of 8x upon 1 minus 15x square. Okay, first define the function y equal to tan inverse of 8x upon 1 minus 15x square. Now choose the two suitable numbers such that sum must be equal to 8x and product must be equal to 15x square. So I choose here 3x and 5x. Here 3x plus 5x gives, okay, this is 8x, this is 15x square. Now it attains the form tan inverse of a plus b divided by 1 minus ab. So we can write tan inverse of 3x plus tan inverse of 5x. Now this step is ready for differentiation. So differentiating with respect to x, we can write dy upon dx equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 3x raised to square into d dx of 3x plus 1 divided by 1 plus 5x raised to square into d dx of 5x. Next, differentiation of 3x is 3. This becomes 1 plus 9x square plus 5 divided by 1 plus 25x square. This is the answer. Okay. Next, consider the second one. The second example is cot inverse of 1 plus 35x square upon 2x. So first define the function, that is y equal to cot inverse of 1 plus 35x square divided by 2x. So we can write this example as tan inverse 2x divided by 1 plus 35x square. Here numerator changes to denominator, denominator changes to numerator, because we have written here cot inverse function as tan inverse function. Once again choose the numbers such that sum or difference must be equal to 2x and product must be equal to 35x square. See here, we can write this as 7x minus 5x divided by 1 plus 7x into 5x. 7 minus 5 gives 2, 7 into 5 gives 30. Okay. Now this takes the standard form. We can write tan inverse 7x minus tan inverse 5x. So differentiating, this step is ready for differentiation. So differentiate with respect to x. Here this is tan inverse function, so we can differentiate like this. d dx of 5x 1 upon 7x raised to square, differentiation of this function, 1 upon 1 plus 5x raised to square, differentiation. So 1 plus 49x square into 7 minus 1 upon 1 plus 25x square into 5. Therefore answer is 7 upon this is the answer. Okay. Next, third one. The third one is, see here, tan inverse of 2 root x divided by 1 plus 3x. Define the function. Like this, let y equal to. Now, see here, we can write 2 root x as, we get 2 root x and multiply these two terms, we get 3x. So, we can write the numerator as tan inverse of 3 root x minus root x 1 plus 3 root x into root x. So, we can write this as tan inverse of 3 root x minus tan inverse of root x. This step is ready for differentiation. So, dy upon dx equal to, we can write 1 divided by, once again it is a tan inverse function, into d dx of 3 root x minus 1 divided by 1 plus root x raised to square into d dx of root x. 1 plus square of 3 is 9. This becomes x. 3 is a constant number. Differentiation of root x is 1 upon 2 root x minus 1 divided by square and root get cancels. We get simply x. Differentiation of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Observe these two numbers. 1 upon 2 root x is common. We can write 3 divided by 1 plus 9x minus 1 divided by 1 plus x. This is the answer. Next, consider the fourth example. The fourth example is tan inverse of 2 raised to x plus 2 upon 1 minus 3 into 4 raised to x. First, define the function tan inverse of 1 minus 3 into 4 raised to x. We can write this example as 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to x by theory of indices. Here also we can write like this. Therefore, this becomes tan inverse of 4 into 2 raised to x divided by 1 minus 3 into 2 raised to x, 2 raised to x. Now, adjust the numerator. Okay. Then how we are going to adjust the numerator? Tan inverse of 3 into 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to x. Okay, this becomes 4 2 raised to x. This step is ready for differentiation. We can write this as tan inverse 3 into 2 raised to x plus tan inverse 2 raised to x. Next, differentiating with respect to x, we can write into d dx of 3 into 2 raised to x plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 raised to x raised to square d dx of 2 raised to square. This is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 9, put here root 2 raised to 2x, 3 is a constant. Apply here differentiation of a raised to x formula. This becomes 2 raised to x log 2 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 2, 2 raised to x. Differentiation of this function is 2 raised to x into log. Now see here 2 raised to x log 2 is common. So we can write 1 plus 2. This is the answer. Okay. Goodbye. We will see the next examples in the next video.